G'day. Well, as promised on my unboxing video, this is a brief little test of the GoPro Hero 10, completely filmed on the GoPro. It won't be anything too elaborate, just some random put together clips. A little bit overcast here, actually filming this clip on my birthday. And yeah, I'll leave a link in the description area of the official GoPro video, which is quite good, but this won't be as elaborate as that. Anyway, let's go check out some of the basics that this, or the quality rather, of this camera. See?
Yeah, okay.
And then you can record yourself.
Very good.
Bigger cannoli thing. What do you reckon about that? Hey? No comment? GoPro stop recording. Well, it's a lovely morning here, so I thought I'd come down to one of the local parks. Yeah, just wanted to say that all audio that you will hear in this video recorded on the phone, no external microphone, so this is just a test. Likewise, all the video except a couple of cutaway shots I'm just going to talk about now are all recorded at the maximum resolution. So anyway, it'll take forever to render once I've finished the video. It's worth mentioning too, probably, unless there is a setting, and I don't want to be too technical, but where you can adjust, say, spot metering, etc. I have noticed if you walk from inside to outside and vice versa, it doesn't quite adjust for the light. But there may be a setting for that. Like I say, everything is on default for this test recording. Wanted to say that just from a brief look around, there are an infinite amount of accessories you can get for GoPro. One of the ones that I think is handy is one I did happen to see, which is a giant windsock that fits around the GoPro itself, which is just a foam square really. The benefit of that, to anyone that's ever watched vlogs and there's a bit of wind noise, it seems pretty calm here at the moment, a little bit maybe, is it stops that horrible wind noise. Another accessory that I probably will get at some stage, either genuine or aftermarket, is a suction cup holder that you can attach to the car. Like you would have seen, unless you're pretty new to my channel, my friend Gary and I did in our big mega vlog over a year ago. Now the vision on this, again, I still haven't really read the book that I downloaded, but you can get some really great shots from GoPros and some noise as a trail bike turns up there, of course. Such as my friend Shannon, that actually bought my Harley Davidson Fat Boy a few years back, ended up starting a YouTube channel called Camp Winnie. And he and his lovely family travelled around Australia in their Winnebago that they bought and fixed up. And he's doing it again. So make sure you check out his channel down in the links below, because everything he films is on a GoPro, except for his wonderful drone footage. And I have to say, he's one of the best drone operators I've seen. Well, let's take it for its very first drive. I don't have anywhere to mount the little mount. I'm not going to stick a suction cup thing on the dash at this stage. Anyway, we'll see what we can do with the clamp. GoPro stop recording. GoPro stop recording. Well, the picture's a little bit crooked, but this is just a test. GoPro stop recording. Well, it's afternoon. I'm just heading out to get some fish to eat. I know the vision's a bit crooked, but this is just a test. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Hopefully I'll work out how to use this in my editing suite, which is Sony Vegas Pro. Otherwise you're going to probably have to see this in ordinary HD, which is 1080, which means I would have had to convert the file somewhere else. And that's the price you pay with technology, and they change codecs and you have to try and get files to work that are modernized. Anyway, I guess this is a test recording, we'll work something out. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Now the trouble is finding parking around here. Not always easy. Not always easy at all. I guess there's a spot. Ooh, turn back into me, dude. Aha. We'll go forward a bit. Make it an easier escape. That'll do. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Well, fast forward towards the end of the week now. Just wanted to say this video isn't really about showing all of the features that the GoPro Hero 10 can do. It's just more of a camera test. So, having said that, today we have the regular occurrence that's happened many times here of one of the bathroom toilets blocking up, ensuite toilet. So I've just been trying with my gurney and attachment to clear this block drain down there, unsuccessfully this time. Wonder, can we adjust the light here? Not really. Anyway, so I've called the plumber. I only had to say, guess what time of year it is? And he said, tree root time? Right, yeah. So we'll come around sometime later with a much stronger version of the we're still recording? Where's the screen gone? Don't know. Anyway, haven't even read the instruction manual for this yet. So he'll be around with his much stronger jet blaster to blast the drain there. Anyway, alright, so bear that in mind. This isn't a comprehensive video, but just a picture quality one. And plus it's taken me days to find a solution to my editing program, which is years old, and just couldn't cope with the, I won't get too technical, the MP4 files from the GoPro. So that was a drama. So I've pretty well taken a bit of an unplanned holiday from YouTube creating this week since my birthday week. I think you'll forgive me. So one thing I would have done is jump in the pool with this to do an underwater test, but you're kidding me? It's the dead of winter. So I guess next thing, best thing I can do, not that I want to do it, is this. Here we go. Oh, it's still working. That's scary. Typical. Here I am sitting here for hours now editing this video, and I totally forgot to mention what I said in the unboxing video I would, and that's how come I came to win this GoPro. However, it's taken so long to assemble it all. I'll leave that. I don't want to confuse the issue anymore on this video. I'll leave that to the next one, where I wanted to talk about anyway the power of positive thinking, because it ties in with that very strongly. Okay, back to the video. These are the, I believe they're Australian bush bees. They're harmless, tiny ones, but there's thousands of them. And that was a real bee. Well, the plumber came and solved the problem, but it was late afternoon, so I didn't video it. But it's such a regular occurrence, unfortunately. Maybe next time I will. So pretty soon, within the next month or two, I'll really try and focus to finish this swimming pool video that I started filming over a year ago. Anyway, I hope I don't accidentally think any other cameras I use are waterproof. And do this. Because that could be quite disastrous. One thing I've just learned is the display on the front of this GoPro Hero 10 does, and there's probably a setting to disable that. You have to tap the back of the screen to make it come alive again. But anyway, I'm learning, okay? As I said, this is just a test of the video quality, not so much a comprehensive review of anything else. Anyway, if you're still here, thank you for watching, and I hope it's been of some interest to those considering a GoPro. But do check out the link to the GoPro site itself below and check out the capabilities of this camera. Alright, until next time, and for the first time on my GoPro, cheers. I'll see you soon.